You've imported your listings from another channel and want to publish them on Etsy. Etsy requires certain fields to be completed before publishing. The good news is you can set these fields in bulk for all your products. Choose the listing status, draft or active. Remember that Etsy charges a fee, so you may want to publish your listings as drafts first for safety. If Change Status on Edit is on, your listings will be moved from draft to active after you edit them in Nembol. If it's off, your listings will remain in draft, even if you update them in Nembol. Choose the item type, physical or digital. Nembol publishes all listings, but it does not transfer digital files. Choose who made your item. Next, select when your item was made. Turn What is it on if your item is a supply or a tool used to make things. Select a category from your latest 200 active listings, or choose Automatic and let Nembol's AI handle the categorization. Next, choose the Shop section where you want to publish the listing. Like the previous settings, this can be changed later if you publish listings in groups to different sections. Etsy prefers titles in sentence case. Turn this on, and Nembol will convert your titles so only the first letter is capitalized. This setting applies to all future listings and will also update past listings when edited. You're almost done. Now select your shipping profiles, returns and exchanges policy, and processing profiles. These must be created by you directly in the Etsy backend. In Nembol, you can then assign them to your listings. Once everything is set, go to the Products tab, select your products, click Publish to, choose Etsy, review your settings, and click Publish. You can track the process in the Activities tab. When finished, Etsy icon will appear on your listings. This means your products were successfully published.